Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, I know it's been very long I made any video, any strategy video, and I really want to apologize to you guys, and I promise that I'm back, and I am back with better content. Okay guys, first of all, before I start this video, I want to appreciate everybody that has been supporting this brand, that's ever liked our videos, subscribed to our YouTube channel. Okay guys, I really want to appreciate you guys. Without you guys, this platform won't be a success. Okay guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you a very simple strategy that you can use to trade crash and boom. You can use to catch spikes on crash and boom. Okay, so like as you can see here, I am in this trade and I caught the spike. Okay, this is the 5-minute time frame. Okay, from the 1-minute time frame, can you see how accurate from my entry, this is where I entered this trade, and from my entry, can you see how accurate the spike was? And if you notice, there was a mini spike, there was a small spike here which stopped here before this large gap that happened. Can you see this gap here? There's a gap. Okay, this is called the gap. Okay, alright, so I know some of you might have seen something like this while trading crash and boom. It's called the gap. Okay, and it's caused by large, when there's large volume. When there's large volume in the market, it sometimes leaves a gap. Okay, and this can be also called an inefficiency. To trade the crash and boom market, catching spike effectively, to do that effectively, you have to be conscious of the trend of the market. You have to be able to figure out the trend of the market. Okay, most people don't show you how to, most people just tell you to use indicators. Okay, there are a lot of indicators out there that you can use to trade catching spikes, but most people don't really tell you how to look at the market manually, because the market is dynamic. You can always change. So but the price action that the market leaves behind somehow gives you a clue to what the market is actually doing. Okay, so now for you to be able to figure out the trend of the market, you have to go to higher time frames. Okay, the higher time frames is best to use to figure out the trend of the market. So this is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, and this is the 4 hour time frame. Now it's best to use a laptop. Okay, if you have a laptop, you can always download the MT5 application, or you can still just go to tradingview, tradingview.deriv.com. okay, check it out. Okay, now so it's best to use a laptop, but if you don't have a laptop, fine, that's good. You just have to put it on automatic rotation. Okay, you use your phone this way diagonally. Okay, now when you do that, you go to higher time frames. You can start with the weekly time frame. Okay, but since you're scalping, or we are intraday traders, you can just look at the weekly time frame just for your buyers. Then you go back to your daily time frame. Okay, from your daily time frame, you can see what's happening here. The market has been selling. Okay, now you now go to your 4 hours time frame. Okay, from the 4 hours time frame, things get a little bit clearer. So now what can you see from here? If you see here, price has been respecting this level. Okay, price has been respecting these levels. Okay, here also price has been respecting these levels. Okay, I'm just teaching you how to figure out the trend of the market, to figure out what the market is actually doing, which will give you an edge. Okay, while trading. Okay, this will give you an edge while trading, because to help you be in the right side of the market most of the time. So now from the 4 hours time frame, you can see that the price has been respecting this range. Okay, price has been respecting this range. When price gets to these levels, these trendline levels, it's respected. It started selling. It's still down here, came down again here. So the flow of this market from the 4 hours time frame, market is just trapped in this 4 hours range. Okay, so in this 4 hours range. But now if you go to the 1 hour time frame, okay, as you can see, still the same thing. Price is trapped in this range, so we are expecting price to sell more downwards. Okay, we're expecting price to sell downwards more. Okay, now we have figured out the trend of the market. Okay, now let's go to lower time frames. Okay, in the lower time frames, there is still lower time frames price action. So go to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, now from the 15-minute time frame, what do we have here? we this candles here shows that price has been selling, that's broken out from this range. Can you see when price broke this structure? Okay, if you're in my advanced trading, if you're in my VIP group, you get to understand all these things better concept. So as you can see, price broke this structure here. Also price broke this structure here also. This what indicates that this structure has been broken. So immediately price broke this structure, it started selling. Okay, it started selling. But if you missed the breakout of this structure, it's fine, you can always wait for another opportunity. Okay, because once price starts selling, it will not sell forever, it will not keep on selling. It gets to a point and it starts ranging. So now it will still sell more. Okay, price can sell to this zone. Let me use this. Okay, price can still sell to this zone here before there will be a reaction. Okay, so we can still expect more selling pressures from the market, because from what we've seen from the price action we've studied from the market, we know that the market is respecting this range. Okay, we know that the market is respecting this 4 hours range. Okay, so now this is what forms the basics of our speculations or analysis. Okay guys, welcome back. I had to allow the market to react. Okay, I had to allow the market play out. Okay, and come back to look at our analysis and see if it corresponds with the market behavior. Okay, and guys, so as you can see, the market has been selling. Okay, but let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so as you can see now, guys, let me just do a quick recap of everything we've done before. This is a very simple strategy. This is a very simple concept, but you just have to understand it and patiently execute it. Okay, so but in our VIP group, there are other advanced concepts you still need to know. There are still other advanced concepts you still need to know. So that's why we have the VIP group. Okay, so guys, if you want to become better in trading, you can just send me a message and I'll add it to our VIP group. So now let's do a quick recap of everything I said. So like I said, you have to put your phone on automatic rotation, and you go back to the daily time frame. Okay, from the daily time frame, what are you seeing? What is happening in the daily time frame? From the daily time frame, the market has been selling from here. The market has been selling from here. This has been a sell. The market has been selling, but when the market got to this point, the market started forming a daily range. This is called a daily range. Okay, so now guys, pay attention. I'll show you this same concept, this same thing that happened here, this same selling and a range. I will still show you how this same thing still happens in smaller time frame. I don't want to say every time frame, but it happens in almost every time frame. Okay, so this same concept that happens here still happens in smaller time frame. So guys, from our daily analysis, the market has been selling, and here the market is trapped in a range. So let's go to our 4 hours time frame to see things better. Okay, so from our 4 hours time frame, still the same thing, selling and trapped in this 4 hours range. Now we use this rectangle here to mark out the highs. This is the highs, this is the trend line that price has been respecting. With your understanding on just this simple concept, you can trade the market successfully. If you now apply this concept now of figuring out the trend and knowing what is happening in the market, if you now apply them to maybe the indicators you use or other trading confluence, it will make you make better trading decisions. So guys, if you want to join our VIP group, send me a message. I'll drop a contact in the link, okay, in the description box. If you want to join the VIP group, just send me a message, and also don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay guys, see you in the next video. God bless.